All right, everyone. So, people, can you see that I have created one resume on the board?
Yes,
Is it?
ma'am.
Okay. Now, you may observe that which kind of structure is here and what content is mentioned in the resume. Okay? I hope you have observed, people.
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Let's listen to Rakhi. That Rakhi, can you please share which kind of structure have you observed in this resume?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as we can see, the first thing is the personal information of person writing resume. The second is objective. The third is education. After that, skills are mentioned and achievements are mentioned. So I think we have to follow the same structure for our resume also.
Great job. Sarita, do you have additional point?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think following the structure is important because it keeps everything organized for a resume.
Absolutely. That's great. Now let's talk about content, everybody. You have shared about structure, right? That is well understanding. Now let's listen to Suman for this. Suman, you may share which kind of content have you observed in this resume?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have seen that education is mentioned, which I think is important for resume because if I apply for any job, so my education should be related to that job.
Absolutely. You are on the point. That's great. Now everyone, as you have shared about structure, content, so you all are aware that we used to mention these things. But I would like to know from you that why these things are essential to add in a resume. Let's listen to Payal here. Yes, Payal, you may share.
Ma'am, for which point should I share?
Okay, so you may share why is it mandatory to mention our personal information?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think it is very important because if we are making a resume and our personal information or contact information is not mentioned, then how will the employer reach out to us for any interview?
Good job. Nice answer. Let's listen to Shakshi. Yes, Shakshi, you may add something.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we don't mention our name or email, then we will not get any update on the job also.
Absolutely. So I think you all are getting that it is very important to add our personal information, right, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move ahead. There is one objective. Rama, you may share that why is it important to mention objective in the resume?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we want a job, so what is our intention for that job? And what is our thinking about that job? I think that it is very important to mention the objective.
Absolutely. For telling them, for showing that which kind of skills do you have, it is important to add objective, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, moving ahead, let's listen to Rakhi. Rakhi, can you please share about education?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think education is the most important point because if we want to be a doctor, so we should have MBBS education. So if somebody mentioned MBBS, so they will get job. So mention education is important.
Absolutely fine. Good job. Yes, Sarita. Can you please share about skills? Right? That is very important one. Yes, Sarita.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, education is important, but the additional skills that we have are very important, like the ones that we learn in FEA class, like politeness and punctuality and regularity and helping others. These skills are very important, and also digital skills.
Well done. Now there is last one. It is achievement. Suman, can you please share about achievements?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, achievement shows our additional qualification. If we have won any medals or if we have any certificates, so it is our achievement, and it will get us a higher chance of getting that job.
Absolutely. You have shared correct that if we have more points, means more skills, more achievements, and our resume become so attractive, right? So interesting. So there can be higher chances, right? Now everybody, as you all have shared your responses, let me share one example, right? Suppose I am a teacher, right? And I want to join a school as a maths teacher, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So which kind of skills should I have? Can somebody please share first?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's listen to Uma.
Ma'am, if you are going to become teacher for any subject, having soft skills is very important.
Absolutely. Okay everyone, so the resume which I have mentioned on the board, it is a common format for everybody, right? But if we create our resume as per our requirement, it will be different from each others. Like suppose as I am a FE teacher,
Yes, ma'am.
so if you will see my resume, it will be totally different from a doctor's resume, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And a doctor's resume will be totally different from an engineer's resume. Okay everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay everyone, now you all are going to create your resume on MS Word or Google Doc
Yes,
by adding your own information and experiences. Okay everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you know that later you can use the digital copy of your resume and printed version as well for job interviews. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now people, for doing this activity, we will create pairs. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Please say 1.
1, 2.
You are in a pair.
1.
Now people, you are going to move ahead and let's start doing it. Alright everyone, I hope you are halfway done.
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Now everybody, you all are going to move in a classroom to check other pairs' work, what they have done in their resume, and if you have missed anything, you may add after observing. Okay, so you all have 5 minutes to move around the class.
Yes, ma'am.
So please stand up everybody and please start moving and observe the resume. Okay everyone, time's up. Let's take your places and start adding whatever you have missed, and after adding your information and experiences, you may save your document. Okay, if you are working on MS Word, you will save it on desktop by your name and your FE ID. Okay, and those are using Google Doc, they can just change the title name. There will be untitled, so you can give a title to your file. All right everyone.